Biologics and pharmaceutical manufacturing is a complex process. For a single process, data is procured from multiple locations, systems, and tons of paper-based manual records. Data is usually spread across years and is exchanged through many hands. Due to the unorganized data, organizations spend most of their time requesting, assembling, and preparing the datasets required for analysis that could give meaningful insights, and limited time is being spent on actual analysis for gaining process insights. Presenting Bio4C ProcessPad, a one-stop solution for all your process, operational data needs. Now, scientists and engineers can spend more time on quality analysis and data review, instead of hunting and gathering data. Be it manual data from paper records, data from external databases like LIMS or QMS, or streaming data from process equipment, Bio4C ProcessPad brings all these data into an easy-to-use and intuitive browser-based single-window access. With Bio4C ProcessPad, you can answer what, when, how, and why a process issues through our well-thought-out visualizations and analysis applications. Bio4C ProcessPad facilitates 21 CFR Part 11 compliance. Now you can operate within your regulatory framework while you troubleshoot your processes. So, what are you waiting for? Try Bio4C ProcessPad today and bring life to your operational data.